exciting news. Peyton's back.
I'm back.
And then we're going to be going to the fantasy area and...
Spoiler, the chicken area too.
Let's get into it.
Yeah! Yeah!
Discover drug wouldn't do us any harm. And
We're here in the Fantasyland parts, and these two buildings are kind of uncanny, so we're gonna save those till those are gonna be the last things we do in this fantasy. I don't think this is your. That is our grandma, and that is my child. We're going backwards. Ah! Run! The mask is starting to fall off. If it falls off on us, I'll scream. Oh yeah! Oh my gosh! Oh, it is good. Oh, this isn't scary. You literally hear the creaking. This is mine. No, this is me. Proper. I'm having really fun. I'm proper. Fantasyland. It's already uncanny. Oh, why is your head so small? It's ultra realistic, which means it's. What is? This is just creepy, and it's ultra realistic too. So I like to say it's uncanny. This shoe is new. And this is my ladder to get up. I have a slide house. So it isn't even go out. And I think this is too kiddie. Whoa! Oh my gosh! That almost swings. Too funny. There we go, truck. Why is there a security camera or something like that? This is new this year, and it's pretty relaxing. Except the floor's very dirty with people standing on it.
In the floor, ascend to the top of the platform. Hands on Excalibur. Eureka! You are the chosen one! The prophecy is true!
I got chosen! I lifted it! Yes! I'm the chosen one! I heard it a lot. Why did Humpty Dumpty sit on a wall? Did you know he was originally a kid?
Oh.
Yeah, and he broke his head open. Yeah. Okay, I heard this one's more scary than the last one. That one's stuck. Yeah, that Geppetto is like, his neck is turned right there. Uncanny! And I rate this 4, 5, I don't know. I like storybooks, and so it's fine, but the things there kind of creepy. So I'd give it 10 out of 10 just because I lifted the sword. And I did lift the sword. So, yeah.
She's not lying. She's telling the truth. And it is 5 because it is me.
So now you've seen the world's only magic cow.
It was just a magic show. I do want them. There's like a rising one that's when like you do this. It's like, and there's like a button and a string. When you hold it, you let go.
But one, right? Okay, let me get some change. Okay, great. Yeah.
Ready? Doing this one. You can go see what they're doing. I'm doing this one right here. This guy right here. Wait. That one.
Is your chicken brown?
Yes, we have the same one. What the heck? We have the same one. Look at ours. We had scissors.
It's a painted planet colors. Red, yellow, blue. I did it. Sorry, okay, we put as many in as possible. Our ratings for the trekking area are 8. My favorite part was either the Guess Who chickens or that thing over there. I've never been in there. I give this whole place a 9. I'm giving it a 9. My favorite part is probably the ball thing. You like shoot balls and stuff. It's really fun. So we don't really know what it is. It's actually a pirate base. Yes, pirate base. Well, which one should we go? Let's go this way. Ew. Treasure. Look. Down the exit. Spookily, the square pumpkin just used green. Never gonna step on a squash. Let's sing a guess those. What? I don't know. Boogers. What's a ghost's favorite food? I don't know. Blueberry. Oh, and people. I give it a 10 out of 10 because you could pick a pumpkin. Yeah. And I got 10 out of 10 because of the microphone. I got my perfect pumpkin. He got pumpkin too. It's in his pocket. I bought 2 pumpkins. Let them take all of it. Wow.
That's. Oh, they're moving.
Ready, spin it.
Nice. Or else I'll hurt you. Yes? It's gone dark. Yeah. It's dark outside now. And final reviews. Yeah. We're at the pie barn right now.
10 out of 10.
No.
Barn, we never got it.
What out of 100? What out of 100?
Okay, 100 out of 100. Huh? 49 out of 100.
I thought you were going to say 41. So my favorite was either picking my pumpkin or pulling the sword out.
Never gonna get
You up.
never gonna let you down. Never gonna run around and desert you.
Like
And